Oh, you wake up!
Guys, as me I say, as I'm saying, shut up, mom, the video.
God, no.
I'm gonna tell you something. Let me tell you something. Just a brief moment of reasoning. You alright? I'm gonna see you in the background. Stop the next. I'm gonna see you in the side of it. I'm gonna see what kind of music that I'm gonna see. You know I'm gonna get crazy, you know, like, yo. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna touch it for you. Yo. Yeah, you guys have flashy flashlight here, you know.
Yeah, it's said, bro.
What do you mean? What am I typing up for you? Which one?
Bomba, no, bro. This one gone for sure.
Where's that?
Yeah.
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't.
Yeah, drop off chat. Joker, that's what it said. Yeah, bro. Am I cute?
Guys. You bust for
You
you?
must make us see. Come here.
You bust for you?
Come here with the camera. For you?
Let me see it.
Oh my. Mama see
You bust for you? Where the blood there?
Mama see for you, we can fix it. For you, we can fix it.
Let me see it. You bust for you?
I'm gonna see.
I am out that.
Wait, oh my.
You bust for you?
Mama just see now? Better ask you.
What me amount?
Just what me now?
Where? She overreact, bro.
Yo, you're overreact, you know. Now start jumping away there and jump away, you know.
You just go and pay your teeth.
Oh, maybe bust with you, see?
Let me see it. What me amount?
Brother, hush.
It's not bust.
Mama see. Oh.
The phone like your mouth.
Mama see if it.
Look at my teeth come through. It's not bust, bro. Chip it.
Wait, guys, wait. Look on our face now. Guys,
I know it's biggie, brother.
As a person, you look so beautiful and fancy for English shows.
I hear your sister kill me every time.
Jesus, prima, somebody look. Wait, that can't go. What are you doing?
Nix, why you with a belt, sir?
Oh, father.
Guys, care what is a text from our phone. I chat the people. Wait, swipe down.
Chat the people and pin it.
Why your phone even up on light mode? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And don't watch the fridge, cause when I light, so the fridge have open. Yeah, guys. Guys, when I look for my chat.
Take out something there, bro. We don't clear the table, man. Take out that light there for the sign up on the chair.
No.
And cover up the
So
food
guys,
and the dish drainer if you don't eat it.
We're not lighting, guys, and them. So we are do all night of
So we
vlog.
all learn food there for.
Mommy attack, I in my vlog attack.
Both take up that for the sun, take up this one for the sun.
Look if I see no spoon in this. Nix, put this for the bright top.
My
Put it
vlog
stand
first
up.
start
Hold
when
on.
pranking part start. Or
Put it
I'm
beside.
gonna start on reaching this one. I mean, I do transition.
So guys, like gone. Mom look up dry. Like gone. And then buy ice cream. See the ice cream in the chat? The ice cream look like soup. Look at this, see one spoon. Guys, don't wash my arm, please. So,
Mom, I don't feel like mother want ice cream. I'm too cold for that thing. There's no tonight.
guys,
Oh my God, got my sister on.
well, better than the fish right
I'm trying to come on anymore.
Grandma, when you go.
Fix up the table, man.
Hey,
Oh, guys. The
Grandma.
reason why we have light, because we have solar light.
Watch it now. Your grandma every second like she feel like grandfather. Watch it. When it's on the corner, when you know.
Drink the ice cream we have on the top.
Yes. The ice cream, somebody you take the bag away. Wow, I was like, the worst thing.
Seriously? This is so serious, Randy. This is
Wait, let me chest.
The eye vlog. Come next, brother.
I'm so eat ice cream now, mama. That's in cooler. Come on. When I
Guys.
come, I'm start do.
You're 30 minutes out here now.
No, cost me.
You're 30 minutes out that area chat. I need to do it. You don't know about myself at the end, you know?
Yes, sir.
And sure, so I'm just done right here.
Yeah,
And
like
share with you.
gun.
Yeah, like gun with a light. So if I use my light panel, sure this attack the phone. Yeah. So
Come on, me go down.
I'm tired, guys. I'm do 2 ear like I'm tired. So guys.
What do you say the TikTok?
Yeah, and this is on the all nighter. This is TikTok video. Alright, from Tuesday. No, when I get back live, but we had the all night here, so we can hold it. You wanna show we're gonna need it tonight, but it's there. I try to stay for the night. I didn't forget bed. It doesn't say I get prank. Just make sure you subscribe, like, and share the video, because this is an all nighter. If you don't, if you never hear, I'm gonna just say it's an all nighter. Subscribe, like, and share. I thank you. Bye.
Guys, we should go eat the nature valley. Over here, so. Eat it up here. Guys, enough understand a pretty people over here. No ugly dolly, right?
Period.
Period! 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 Right, that's all! No, it's so funny!
Still pretty with eyes, don't get it, but hello.
Right?